Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at how the ES traded this afternoon. You can see during the lunch hour, we actually triggered a trend reversal breakout back to the downside. You know, the ES had a huge drop first thing in the morning, then it made a pretty decent bounce, and then again during lunch, or coming out of lunch actually, we triggered this trend reversal breakout to the downside on the small bar chart, and it slowly worked its way lower, but it was really choppy. You know, move down, big move back, small move down, back, small move down, back. I mean, it was just a real choppy move to the downside, but it kind of slowly ground its way lower. But we weren't really looking for a big strong move to the downside, and the reason being that our 30-minute chart, our momentum just was not confirming it. You can see on this chart, when all that was happening, we were right here on this portion of the chart. And you can see this was that kind of choppy action back and forth. This bar opened here, finished up there, triggered the trend reversal breakout to the downside, closed down there. This bar opened right here, pushed a little lower, then closed up here. This bar opened, pushed a little higher, and then closed down here. This bar opened right there, closed right there after leaving another bottoming tail. Then this bar opened right here, left a big bottoming tail, and finished in a reversal doji. And you can see during this whole choppy move, momentum, the histograms all stayed green, fast line stayed above the slow line. Momentum just was not confirming a strong move to the downside. Then we left this big bottoming tail right here, set up this hammer or reversal doji, however you want to call that, and then this next bar triggered it to the upside. Really bullish bar, opened at the bottom, closed at the top, and triggered this bullish inflection on momentum. So momentum was confirming this move to the upside, and we ended up with a pretty strong move. We recovered the entire move down, and then plus some. We ended up finishing higher on the day. And right in here, at this point right here, we were leaving that bottoming tail, and right there is when we triggered that reversal doji or hammer to the upside. And you can see the ES just ripped to the upside the rest of the day, right into the close. So just kind of something you want to keep your eye on. We're always looking to confirm our setups with our higher time frame charts, but we want to make sure that we're also paying attention to momentum on our higher time frame charts, because that 30-minute chart was just not confirming a strong move to the downside, and we ended up catching a rip the other way.